It's Hannah from WTI. This is one of my favorite nail polishes in my collection.
This is the polish by Essie, and it is in the color San Tropez. I really love this color. I think it's a great neutral to have in your collection. It can go with so many outfits. I love how easy Essie is to apply. I am not a nail artist by any means, nor am I very good at painting my nails, but I always love getting Essie whenever I go to a salon, and I love how I could have this at home in my collection for myself. My friend let me paint her nails, and I loved how it only took 2 coats of this polish to really give her a pretty neutral nail that will go with her everyday work outfits. And I just love how easy Essie is to apply. It goes on so smoothly, it's never sticky, it dries fairly quickly, so I'm a big fan.
So whether you've tried Essie 100 times or you never have before, I think this is a great one to add to your collection, and that's my point of view.